Which is the most oldest sport in India? Which Indian cricketer is popularly known as Master? Which country won the first T20 World Cup? Which is the largest stadium in India by seating capacity? The popular snake and ladder game originated in which country? Name the first Indian to win an individual gold medal at the Olympics. Who was the first Indian woman to win Grand Slam title in tennis? Wow! First class children know so much about sports. I couldn't answer at least 3, 4. I hope you guys had more. Did you guys get more? Yes? Not only have they prepared this, but they also have a beautiful crafted drama ready for you. Are you guys ready to see it? We all know that sports play a crucial role in a student's overall development, offering physical, mental and social benefits. Coach Sam, the school's friendly sports teacher. A magic ball, a talking ball that teaches lessons about sports. And other students, Manasa, Neetushri, Devansh, Rutvika, Pranavi, Yashvi, Dhanashri, Rutuja, Prakya, Divyansh, Sahasra, Veera Raghava, Rutvika, Harshit Reddy, Sai Harshit Reddy, Kartik Chari, Sundar, Kajal, Nitish Reddy, Ayush Girma, Jnanika, Shivraj, Shivani, Lokesh and Yakshit. Let us start the drama. This is a special drama about a boy named Rohan. They make us strong and happy, but running makes me sweaty and I don't like sweating. Maybe someone special can explain it better. Magic ball, come here. A shiny glowing ball rolls into the stage and starts talking. Hello Rohan, I'm the magic ball and I will show you why sports are amazing. Scene 2, the magical journey. The magical ball starts spinning and suddenly Rohan finds himself in a drama world where everything is dull and grey. Where am I? Why is everything so lifeless? This is a world without sports. No one plays, no one runs, and no one exercises. Now, let us visit a world where everyone plays sports. The scene changes to a bright, colorful world where kids are running, jumping, and laughing. Wow! Everyone looks so happy and active. Yes, sports make us strong, give us energy, and help us to make new friends. Do you want to try? Yes, I want to play. Scene 3. Back to school playground. Rohan wakes up and finds himself back in the school playground. Mia, Coach Sam, I want to play. Sports are so important. Yay! Let's play together. Rohan starts running and playing with his friends. He looks happy and full of energy. Great job, Rohan. Sports make us healthy, happy and strong. Yes, I will never sit under the tree again. Sports are fun. Everyone cheers and starts playing together. So, Rohan learned a valuable lesson. Sports are not just about running. They help us stay healthy, make friends and feel happy. So, let us all promise to play the stronger we become. Thank you for watching. Oh my God, after that ending, give them a big